To create a TikTok Shop affiliate account, start by opening the TikTok app and navigating to the profile page. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Creator Portal. If you do not see this option, ensure your account is set to a business or creator account. Next, apply for the TikTok Shop program by clicking on the TikTok Shop tab in the Creator Portal. Fill out the application form with accurate information, including your store name, contact details, and product information. Once your application is approved, set up your TikTok Shop by adding products to your catalog. You can do this by uploading product images, descriptions, and prices. Make sure to comply with TikTok's commerce policies and guidelines. After setting up your shop, create affiliate links for your products. To do this, go to the TikTok Shop dashboard and select the product you want to promote. Click on the share icon and copy the affiliate link. To track your affiliate earnings, navigate to the Earnings tab in the TikTok Shop dashboard. Here you can view your total earnings, clicks, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy and improve your results. To increase your chances of success as a TikTok Shop affiliate, focus on creating high-quality content that showcases your products in a compelling way. Utilize relevant hashtags and tag relevant brands or influencers to increase your reach. Additionally, engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and use TikTok's Duet feature to collaborate with other creators. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful TikTok Shop affiliate account and start earning commissions from your product sales.